Attention business owners, I want you to keep your Google My Business listing safe. My name is Chris Palmer, and in this video, I am going to give you a valuable tip that will certainly keep your Google My Business listing ultra safe throughout 2021 and years to come. So recently I had a request to work with a particular agency that were going through and creating and sending out massive amounts of ownership and manager role requests. So regardless of what side you're on, if you're a black hat or a white hat, this tip is ultra powerful and I want you to know exactly what to look for. So let me go ahead and show you. This is a legitimate Google My Business. This is a legitimate email from Google. All right, requesting access and or ownership. It might be slightly worded differently depending on the type of access that they're requesting. And it'll come from Google, and this is again a legitimate email coming from Google, and it will be stated just like this. This is what the email will look like. So it'll say that this email address has requested ownership, and I have seen very clever email addresses that will make a unsuspecting Google My Business owner, right? A nail salon in Idaho. It'll make an unsuspecting owner think that this is the right thing to do and grant access to these scrupulous companies. There are businesses doing this at scale, and I want to bring this to your attention. Now, let me go ahead and show you how easy it is and what they're doing. So let's just do it with my business, just so you can get an understanding of what I'm talking about. So Chris Palmer Marketing. All right, so let's just go ahead and look at it. And on every single business, what you're going to see is over here, see where it says own this business? You can click on own this business and it'll take you through the process. Now, obviously, I'm attached to another business with this account, so it didn't go through it. But all someone has to do to request access is to either click that button and take you through the process or sign up for a new account and put in your business name as if it's their own to request access. Now, depending on, what I'm giving you is this tip, be very, very, very cautious of emails like this, even if it looks legitimate, because the email address could be from maybe a Google site. It could be a mock email address to where the domain looks like a Google domain. It could be a mock email address, could look like your business domain. You could think that, hey, Google's sending me this. They want access. Who knows? You could be in a hurry. You could just be clicking. You click yes. You think you're going in. This is what I'm getting at. Now, these will not only come to your email, but they will also, I want you to check this. I did a quick search here just so you know exactly what to look for. These requests will come into your dashboard. Okay, and then I type this in, check Google My Business for manager requests. So ownership, management, almost the same thing. These requests will arise to the top. All right, again, there are agencies, there's people out there submitting mass requests just trying to get lucky. I do not want you, if you watch my channel, I do not want you to slip up. I want you to be aware of this. All right, so take a look at this. To check the status of your request, sign into Google My Business or click the link in your confirmation email. If your request is approved, you'll be notified by email and can change the business profile in Google My Business. Again, be very cautious. Like I just mentioned, you can get it from your dashboard. You can check from your dashboard people making requests, right? What if somebody was just sending mass requests and just so happens to send the request when you are waiting for an email from somebody that you trust as a manager and you just click the button by accident? Be very, very cautious. This is my tip of the day for Google My Business. Be careful, be thoughtful, take your time, check your dashboard, check your emails. My name is Christopher Palmer. If you have any further questions related to Google My Business, if you have questions about local SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube SEO, YouTube ads, anything, always feel free. Go ahead, ask me in the comments below. I answer every question. Every single question. It matters to me. I want to help you. Ask the questions and have a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'll see you then.